If you look through a powerful enough telescope at the Apollo landing sites right now, you wouldn't see the American flag. You would see something far more unsettling. A ghostly, pure white sheet of surrender. Between 1969 and 1972, brave astronauts planted 6 different American flags into the dusty lunar soil. Millions of people watched those iconic moments in black and white, celebrating the absolute peak of human engineering. We all assume those flags are still sitting there proudly, keeping their bright red, white, and blue colors forever in the quiet vacuum of space. But space isn't quiet. It's an absolute demolition zone. Unlike Earth, the moon has no thick atmosphere, no ozone layer, and no magnetic shield to protect it. For over half a century, those flags have been utterly blasted by raw, unfiltered solar ultraviolet radiation. Think about what happens to a plastic toy left out in the backyard sun for a single summer. It fades, cracks, and gets brittle. Now multiply that intensity by thousands of times, nonstop for more than 50 years. The intense UV light completely attacked the synthetic dyes in the fabric, breaking down the chemical bonds of the color on molecular level. Combined with brutal 2-week-long lunar days where temperatures skyrocket to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, followed immediately by freezing 2-week nights at minus 280 degrees, the colors simply didn't stand a chance. They were completely bleached into a stark, blinding white. But the absolute wildest part of this story is why they disintegrated so fast. You'd think that for a multi-billion-dollar space program, NASA would have commissioned high-tech, space-grade, radiation-resistant fabrics engineered by elite scientists. They didn't. According to historical records, NASA staff literally walked into a local store, likely a standard Sears retail shop, and bought ordinary, off-the-shelf nylon flags for about $5.50 each. They were just standard decorative items made for everyday backyards. The astronauts even had trouble getting them to extend properly, which is why they look like they're waving in the vacuum of space. So what is left of them now? While the Apollo 11 flag was actually knocked over by the violent exhaust blast when Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin fired their ascent engine to come home, NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter has captured high-resolution satellite images showing that the other 5 flags are remarkably still standing. They still cast long, distinct shadows across the lunar dust, but they no longer represent a single country. The cosmos took our cheap piece of nylon and transformed it. Today, they stand as blank, universal monuments, marking the exact spot where humanity first stepped off its home world. Do you think NASA should have spent the money on indestructible space-grade flags? Or are these accidental white flags a more beautiful symbol for all of humanity? Tell me your thoughts in the comments, and follow for more insane secrets of deep space.